Hey guys, I am Matthew Poling with CLAAS of America, and I'm here at the 2026 Commodity Classic. I am a product specialist here with the combine. So to start things out with, I kind of want to tell you what's coming new this year for our combine. So behind me here is the new CLAAS 8500. And what the 8500 is it's stepping into our model lineup as the successor to the current 8600, which is receiving a horsepower boost as well as some other minor model changes. So we've introduced this machine to kind of add to our combine portfolio and allow for better class sizes for competition and everything. So this machine will come in at 506 horsepower. To add to that lineup, there's also the 8600, the 87, 88, and 8900, all featuring different horsepowers across the board. As well, new to this year is our new global taillight design. So we've realigned all of our products to have this new design. With that as well, we have new cab features with new rotary beacons, a new flat top design replacing our old bulbous ones. Inside the cab, we have quite a few different new changes as well with Apple CarPlay radios, a new storage features on the left-hand and right-hand side of the cab, as well as a new tray to set your phones, waters, wallet, anything like that within the cab. As well, with the new model year 26, if you option your machine with an air compressor, there's now new air ports on the feeder house of the machine, as well as some up on top of the cab. Some good post-season or when you're going into season tips. Obviously the first one is going to want to be to make sure your machine is clean, and when you're cleaning it, just give it a good look down. Make sure all your belts are clean, unseparated, they're in good condition, and just get everything clean and ready. Another good tip is a lot of guys like to empty the DEF out of their tank, and I would advise against that. Make sure you've got a little bit of DEF in your tank so throughout the season it's not or throughout the postseason it's not crystallizing or anything like that. If there's one thing I can't stress more, it's to reach out to your dealer and actually, have them do a post-harvest inspection and let them, look over your machine and get a good idea of what needs to be done so you're not going into harvest with major breakdowns coming your way. For more information, you can go to our website, CLAAS.com, or reach out to us on our Facebook, Instagram, or any one of our social media.